Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to recover Twitch account password. So for that, open a Google browser in your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in twitch.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of Twitch where you need to click on login over here at the right side. Click on login. And in the login page, you need to click on trouble logging in. This will begin the recovery process for your account password. So now here you need to type in your email address or the phone number of your Twitch account. Type in the email address or the phone number that you have used for the account creation. And then click on continue. Then you need to type in the username of your Twitch account. Send my password reset link. Now you need to go and check your Gmail as Twitch has sent a password reset link to your email address. Now you need to go and check out your Gmail. There's the Twitch mail on top. Click upon that. And here you need to click on reset your password. It will redirect you to the another web page. And here you will be able to provide a new password right away. Type in the new password over here. Now you need to retype the same password on the below text box for the confirmation. After you have provided the password, you need to click on set password. With this, the process to change your password will be completed. So this is how you can recover the Twitch account password. Now you click on login over here and try to get login with the updated password of your Twitch account. Type in the email address or the username. Now type in the updated password. And then click on login. Now once you try to log in with the changed password, you will be asked to verify your login code. You need to go and check out your mail where Twitch has sent a code to the email address. You just need to copy this code from the mail and paste it over here. This process will verify your email address and you will be logged in into your account. And there you can see your account profile name over here. So this is how you can recover the Twitch account password. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.